Lately, I've noticed my skin has been looking and feeling kind of dry. And then I realized I do a great job of exfoliating my face, but I'm not as consistent with exfoliating my body. This inspired me to make body scrubs that would leave my skin feeling smooth and moisturized. So in this video, I'll be sharing 4 body scrub recipes using only natural ingredients. Many of you ask where I get the containers I use for my DIY recipes. These are all from skincare products I've used up. I save them and reuse them for when I make my own skincare, like today. I encourage you to repurpose glass containers like these whenever you can, but I'll also try to find something similar and I'll leave a link to some in the description box below. Although I'm not a coffee drinker, I absolutely love the smell of coffee. And coffee grounds can be used to exfoliate the skin and leave it feeling baby soft. Because coffee beans are among the most highly sprayed and chemically treated crops in the world, I do highly recommend using organic coffee, whether you're drinking it or applying it to your skin. I'm going to grind the coffee beans and also melt the coconut oil so it's easier to work with. Use this scrub if your skin is looking especially dull. It will help reveal naturally glowing skin, and the smell of coffee might help boost your mood as well. Oatmeal is one of my favorite natural ingredients to use for the skin. It's so soothing and very gentle. So this is a safe scrub to apply to the face as well. I like to use ground oats because I just find it's easier to work with. I place the whole oats in a blender, or today I'm using a coffee grinder, and I just pulse until the oats are finely ground. I'm gonna take about a 1/4 cup of these and combine it with raw honey until I reach the consistency I want. Because honey is a natural humectant, this scrub is great if you're really struggling with dry skin because it's gonna help lock in the moisture. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a type of alpha hydroxy acid that gently exfoliates the skin. The best kind to use for this is plain yogurt. I don't recommend using flavored ones. I combined this with just enough sugar to create a thick consistency. I like using this scrub on areas like the knees and elbows where the skin tends to be a little darker because yogurt helps to brighten the skin. My all-time favorite homemade sugar scrub is olive oil and sugar. It's the perfect combination of a natural exfoliant and a natural moisturizer. All I do is combine both of these ingredients into a jar, and I like to play around with the measurements. So I just keep adding a little bit more of each until I get the consistency I like. In the winter, when my skin is looking especially dry and dull, this is my go-to scrub. It leaves my skin glowing and feeling moisturized. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments section below which one of these was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.